what I did was I grabbed a 3x oscillator and I set it to white noise, which is this dicing here. This one right here has a destructor and a love filter. This right here is 50% of the magic. So this is what it sounds like without normal, but I throw this thing on. Suddenly machine-like. This one right here sounds like, this time I set it to lo-fi. It just gives it more of an airy quality. This one is just another big crush, but slightly less with each other. It sounds like this. I throw on a free love filter. I set it to start off quiet and then build up.